GT Convertible AMG V8 Biturbo. This is loud. Double exhaust. Cool. Don't take a picture, you have to video this, man. You do not take a picture, okay? See, this is Benz AMG GT. It's not the GTR, it's not the GTA, it's not the GTS. This is the GT AMG. It's still V8 Biturbo. Great calipers. Blue silky blue. As you can see, it's the V8 Biturbo. It's convertible. Too bad, too sexy. Look at the lights here. It's, I don't know, man. I don't know what to say, but I got no words. You got the AMG sign here. There's no words that can define this car because it's too perfect. It's too angry. It looks like a shark. It's too perfect, man. I don't know, man. It's too perfect. Look at the size of this. Fat. Too big. This is the door. This door got two buttons. This button here, what does it do? I think these ones open the, no? Let me see. Oh, it controls the mirror. Right here, this is the lock door. How you can lock the door, how you can control the window here, everything. The engine. Let me sit. I got my legs are long. I'm 6'3", and I'm sitting here comfortable. That's the start engine button. You can turn off the car here. I don't know what this button does as well. Yeah. If you want to control the radio, all of that. And there's a screen, there's a big screen. How do you put this screen on?
I think you've got to press the button.
Which one?
That one there.
This one, the start engine bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Are you going to be long or?
Nah, just a short video. I just want to see what the screen does.
Okay, no worries. Yeah, they literally need to take it now.
Take it now. This screen is too big. You can see here, that's 200 top speed, 200 miles per hour. Yeah, because this car, you need to go change the wheels. That's why we don't have enough time to do it, but maybe next time. Look at the Benz here, the Benz there. This is the V8 Biturbo engine. How many horsepower? I do not know, man. But this is something. Look at the AMG sign here. No one. I've never seen one of these. There's a GEC there as well. And we're gonna do it maybe the EQC hopefully. There's work. Now look. This is the definition of sexy. Look at the back. Now the back is sexy.